we want to find the square roots of a number using the square root table. If you look at this table, you'll find out that this is written here. Square roots from 10 to 100. And you consider this side, you will see it written here. X is equal to, take it, square root of x. Now, if you come here, the table has columns. Look at this first column here. That is the table for the column for x. The x that we showed there. That's the column for x. And that is, the next is x.0, x0, call it, x under 0, x under 1, x under 2, x under 3. So each of these 10 to whatever number that we have here is the x. So if we want the square root of 16, this is 16. Look at 16 here. Square root of 16. And 16 is 16.0, so 16 under 0. And that is 4.00. If we want the square root of 16.5, this is 16. We pick 16 under 5. This is 5. This is 5. No, this is 5. And 16 under 5. This is 16 under 5. We got under 5 here. That is 16. Look at 16 there. Okay, this is 16. This is 16 here. Under 5. So 16 under 5. That is the square root of 16.5 is 4.062. Now, if you want something like the square root of 16.78, so we go. This is 16. Look at 16 here. This is 16. That's 16, sorry. This is 16 here. All this line is 16. This is 16.0, 16.1, 16.2, 16.3, 16.4, 16.5, 16.6. This is 16.7. So the square root of 16.7 will be 4.087. And the square root of 16.8 will be 4.099. The square root of 16.9 will be 4.1. This is it, 4.111. Now, assuming we have it to have 4 digits, that is like 16.75. Now, if we want square root of 16.75, remember this is 16. The line for 16. 16.7. We go to 7. This is this. Now, there is the difference column that we have to look for 5. Look at the column here. Take note, the square root of 16.7 is 4.087. Then we go to under 5, under the difference 5. This difference 5. So we go down to 16 and find out this is 16. Oh, that's right, so 16 there. So we now find we add 7 to that. So that will give us 4 square root of 16.75. This is 16.7. Then we add this other 7 there to this other 4.087. So that will give us 4.0. This 8 plus 7 plus 7 is 14. 4 carry 1 here. So 4.07094 will be the square root of 16.75. So that is how to use the square root table to find square roots of a given number.